Hello my viewers, I know it's been a while since I last made a video. I've just been really busy, but finally got a new fan, and it's quite an unusual one. This is an Air King by Lasko. And yes, it has the protective sticker on there. If you can see, it says peel. But it's an Air King by Lasko table fan from either the late 80s or early 90s. And what's unique about this fan is that unlike most Lasko fans, which have the piano key switch, or, well, some of them have the dial, but this one has the switch on the back of the motor. This is, I'm told, one of the first Lasko fans that used the Air King brand, because it was right after they purchased Air King. And I've actually been wanting one of these for a while, because when I was a kid, I saw one in a thrift store, and for some reason I didn't get it, which I still regret. But at the time I didn't know it was such a rare fan, and I thought I'd never find another one, but looks like I did. It's not in the best of shape. You can see it's missing the, I don't know if it would have been a plate or a sticker, but it's missing the thing there that would have said the speeds and the brand. And the cage was really rusty when I got it. I actually had to use a wire wheel and buff it all off, and there's still quite a bit on there. If you look closer, you can see, especially right there. So I probably have some more polishing to do in the future, but it looks way better than it did when I got it. And it was only $6 though, so I figured why not. And what's funny is the guy I got it from actually had two of them, but the other one was in worse shape than this, if you can believe it. It was like missing the blade cap and had a big dent in the grill. So I got this one. Both of them were missing the plates and stuff though. And funny enough, so was the one that I saw all those years ago. But anyway, I've been rambling on long enough. I'll turn it on now. Oh, one more thing. Apparently these have a different motor than most Lasko fans, so it sounds a bit different, and it actually kind of has a startup sound. It was a good breeze. Let me turn on the oscillator. The oscillator knob on this thing goes down kind of far, which makes it kind of hard to pull back up. I'm not sure if that's how it's supposed to be or if there's something wrong. But it does oscillate. Put it back on medium. There's some information on the bottom. Doesn't say the model number, I don't think. But I've seen a few videos of these on YouTube, so I'll put it in the description. Oh, and I guess there's a close-up of the switch. That's what I meant by the oscillator knob kind of goes in far. Not sure if it's supposed to be like that. But anyway, there's my 12-inch Air King by Lasko table fan. Thanks for watching.